Welcome to the heart of Bloor West Village. This showcase home has been renovated from top to bottom with a warm and elegant design that speaks for itself. Take a look around on the main floor and I'll meet you upstairs. This is an excellent home for your family to grow into. Why? Because you've got spacious rooms like this with plenty of storage, which also continues down into the basement, which is designed to be a fun place for your family to gather and just have a great time. Having lived in Bloor West Village for over 15 years, I feel I'm uniquely qualified to be able to tell you how great it really is. We've got shops and restaurants a short walk from here. We've got excellent schools, and if you need to get downtown or even out to the airport, you can do all that by public transit in no time at all. So if you'd like to have a private tour of this house, please feel free to send me a DM or give me a call.